how to pay overdue invoices in booking.com. Before we begin, make sure to hit like on the video and subscribe to the channel. Alright, so let's begin. First, you'll need to go to admin.booking.com. You can search it here and log into your homepage. So this is your homepage. You will have to log in from here. And once you have logged in, it will take you to your admin page right here. Now to find your invoices, what you can do is at the top you can see different tabs. Go to finances and tap on invoices. This will show you all of your invoices that are overdue. So if you have any, you can see them directly here. And I don't have any overdue invoices, so if you have any, it will be shown right here and you can pay it from here. Now in order to pay your invoices, you can update your current payment method, or you can sign into extranet, click on finance, either select your banking details or financial settings, and then click on edit bank details to edit your current payment method, and from there you can pay your invoices on your preferred payment method. I hope you found this video helpful, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.